What's up, YouTube fam? Back at it with another one. As you can see, I'm outside. It's cold and snowing, y'all. It ain't no big snow, but it's coming. I ain't ready for that shit. As y'all seen in my last video, I am not ready. I'm not a cold person. Like I said, we ain't gonna jump into too much into that. I want to give a shout out to my boy Justin over at 476 Tire. He's the owner of the shop over there. He does amazing work, y'all. He tires, engine work, any of that shit y'all need it, y'all go holler at him. Like I said, I'm gonna post his number and his little thing on in this clip somewhere. Probably next slide. I'll probably just jump it over there. Either way, I'm like I said, I want to give a shout out to my boy. He hooked me up. I'm gonna show you what he hooked me up with. As y'all can see, that motherfucker right there, it got some stance now, y'all. Look at that. Look mean as hell from the back. Got some stance on it. He hooked me with them 245 60 R18s. You know what I'm saying? So I got a little bit of wider tire in the back. I still got the same old 225s in the front. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna do too much with the tire thing just yet, because I don't want to. I'm not planning on keeping these rims. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep the car, honestly. I'm thinking. I've been running some ideas, you know, back and forth about trying to get something different. Maybe a V8. Anyways, y'all, like I said, I just want to give my boy a shout out. Y'all make sure y'all go hit him up. Like I said, I'll put his number and shit in this video somewhere. But anyways, to the main topic at hand, I got a little something for y'all. I can't show y'all what it sounds like just yet, for the simple fact, the phone I'm recording on is the phone I use, so I can't show y'all. But if y'all want to hear what this badass system, let me rephrase it, this budget ass system that I got sound like, y'all make sure to comment down below and let me know. Like I said, and if y'all do, I'll make sure I can get you know, some music on my USB or get my old lady's phone or some shit like that, so that way I can hook it up and I can show y'all how it hit, because the motherfucker hit hard. I'm telling you now, for a budget system, the motherfucker hit hard. So without further ado, we're gonna show y'all what I got and what it looked like. Like I said, if y'all want to hear what it sounds like, I'll make a kind of combined video showing y'all, you know, again, what it looks like and what I did to hook it up. Like I said, I ain't gonna go balls deep in trying to show y'all step by step, but I will show y'all the wire colors and all that good shit. But anyways, like I said, without further ado, we're gonna show y'all what we're working with. Yes, I got that good old Rockford DB25. It's a 2800 watt amp, and I got some old cheap ass type of subs in the back. But I must say, for y'all that has had these or have these now, I'm telling you now, these motherfuckers hit to only be $79 a piece before tax. The motherfuckers hit, and yeah, the SKU's a little bit of dirt, and like I said, she's a little dirty, it's cold, and I ain't been doing a whole lot of cleaning on it, but the motherfuckers hit. Them's 212s in a ported B box that I got. As y'all can see, I got it wired to 4 ohms now. I'm thinking about dropping it down to 2 ohms and seeing, well, I know it hit harder 2 ohms, so I've seen them hit hard as hell. But mine right now is wired to 4 ohms, and like I said, at 4 ohms it's still pretty hard. And for all of y'all that don't like all the vibrating, you know, the trunk lid and shit vibrating, mine, it has it just a little bit, but not as much as you would think. As hard as it's hitting, when I tell you the motherfuckers hit hard, they hit hard. I don't have a trunk router, so for all y'all that wants some, you know, thumping your truck and you got a V6 charger or any charger in that case, like I said, I'll post another video if you want to see that, show you how I wired it up. I don't have an aftermarket system. I have it, you know, I have it tapped in through my back speakers, through the lock system, the line output converter. For y'all that don't know what a lock system is, I got it hooked up to that. But like I said, she sounds good. Like I said, so if y'all like this video and y'all want to hear what it sounds like and see how I wired all my shit, like I said, this right here, that is not my final wiring. That's just how I just had it. Like I said, I just got it set up a couple days ago. Well, I've had it since Friday, and I've been letting it break in. But I haven't finished wiring up, because I don't know if I'm gonna keep that amp there, if I'm gonna put it where the tire's at. But like I said, in my next video, y'all be able to see all of that good shit. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know, same old you diggity. Get it done. Like, comment, subscribe. Share this shit if you got to people that you know got charged or whatever. They like doing DIY shit. This is the guy that y'all need to come see. So like, comment, subscribe. Peace. As y'all can see in the last video, YouTube fam, like I said, I ain't gonna go a whole lot into it. I was, just showing y'all my setup and stuff. The video y'all just seen is a little old. I recorded it like a week ago, but I didn't know what route I was gonna take with that. So, like I said, I don't have that system no more. I ended up getting rid of it because I was planning on getting rid of the car. Right now I still don't know if I'm gonna keep the car or get rid of it. I just don't know yet for sure. But like I said, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and y'all be able to see future videos and whether or not I kept it or not. But like I said, I just want to go ahead and post this video and get it out there so y'all can see, for those who want to put subs in their car and all that good stuff. I didn't record no install video, but it's really not hard. And if y'all wanted a video of install, like I said, I still got wiring where I could show y'all how to do it. Which, like I said, it's really not hard, especially for a charger. It's a little different for other cars, which I've done on other cars too. So like I said, if y'all wanted to see a video of me putting subs or anything like that in a vehicle or a different type of vehicle, just let me know. That bad boy back there, it'll probably be getting them, so I'll make sure to make a video for y'all of me installing in that, like I said, because it's definitely different from my charger. Like I said, I just wanted to give y'all a little update on what's going on. Like I said, the video won't match up, so I just wanted to do it for y'all. So like I said, y'all comment down in the comment section, should I keep the charger, should I let it go, what y'all think I should do? I think I should keep it, but like I said, I don't know yet. That's a decision, me and my old ladies not discussed fully yet. But like I said, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and y'all see in the future whether or not I kept it or let it go. So we're gonna leave it at that.